off of Beckett. He'll get the slipstream, and he's got the DRS. We saw the rear wing open. This is going to be very close into Stoke Corner.
Yeah,